Hello, this is Tina with Content Creators Club. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you don't know who I am, I'm Tina. I help creators like you add leads and revenue to your business without relying on social media. So I'm super excited to talk to you about today's newsletter because I got a new partner. So if you are excited, because I'm excited, definitely stay tuned. But I also have a really cute picture to show you in like just a second. So I really want to say I'm taken. I wake up every day to exciting morning walks, mental playtime before breakfast, and definitely work cuddle sessions while I tap away on the screen. And so this guy really takes a lot of my attention. He's actually even sitting on my lap as I'm writing this email. When I was writing this email, let me clarify. And it's this lovely doodle right here. His name is Chino, literally like my son. Any case, I told you I had a really nice picture, right? And so I really want you to meet Chino because he's my partner in crime, but more importantly, he is the lucky dog that really is living through fun mama season. Like seriously, if he came into my life 6 years ago, I definitely think that that would not be the case. It was not a fun mama. I was not a fun mama. This mama back then was on the edge of burnout, and I was someone who was super glued to my phone. I tossed and turned at night wondering when I'm going to sign my leads, when I'm going to get clients, and it was just really like a shitty situation to be in at that time. And so while my morning routine was always to check my social media stats, and I would always like cringe every single time I looked at the lack of my growth, it just was not a sustainable business to be in, nor was it a sustainable lifestyle to have at that point in time. And so I kind of realized things needed to change, not only for my sake, but for future Chino's sake, because he was important 6 years ago. But he now has the kind of mom, this fun mama right here, who has the profit to take him on a full spa day. Literally, I like to treat my dog out, but a spa day, tip his groomer, a really nice payout. He got a new groomer, so excited to work with him. And really the time to unplug away from social media and replace that time with cuddle time. He definitely loves his morning cuddle sessions, and the stress-free mom who doesn't really worry about growing their leads, because I personally have a high return on time lead gen strategy, and I'm going to make an invitation for you to consider learning those strategies as well. But more than anything, this is the mom who's the chill mom, the mom who really embodies, I guess, this funness in life, because more often than not, time is the one asset you can never get back. So you might as well spend that time with the people or the living things that you love, right? One of them being Chino, my dog. And so, if you're someone who wants to learn the better owned audience to build in 2025 and beyond, the 3 secret strategies that helped me scale my relationships rather than any algorithm, and the schedule in terms of how do you map your collab year, because collaborations have allowed me to become the fun mama season, but also not take a ton of my time to grow my leads, then I'm going to really recommend for you to go ahead and grab our Map Your Career collab year workshop. And so if you want to see the type of results that I have by just truly focusing on these 3 core strategies throughout the entire year, I've added over 3,000 email subscribers to my list on literally less than 20 minutes a month. Now even less so because I have an assistant who does the work for me. So if you're someone who's like, "Ooh, I just need to punt this or give this to my assistant," then this is something that you can share with them as well. So, if you are someone who wants to know that information, then definitely reply to my email or comment in the video with the word fun, and I'll let you skip the line and get access to that workshop. I'm literally not showcasing here, but if you're someone who wants to skip the line, definitely reply with the word fun and let me know. Anyways, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.